Coco leaks voice note.
So
Ex-fiance
look like
lying
say
about
if I
having
bridge for
cancer.
jump off her and him go get therapy and him come back now at a call me the day.
I know I keep calling you sorry.
Yeah, he always a call the phone.
But I know sorry is not good enough. I had to go. I've been replaying some stuff over in my head and just like with everything, you know what I'm saying? Everything that's been going on over the last couple of days. I had to call up my therapy. I went to therapy today and I've realized like I'm not here calling you for you to take me back or feel sorry for me or anything. I just realized that I've hurted someone that's been going through so much stuff where internet and everybody and everything, and then I added to the whole problem with certain things that happened and certain things what did occur. And me personally, with everything that I fucking been through in life and everything, I have problem with trusting people because of what people did to me and what good people have done to me. Not saying that it is right for what I've done to you or what I've passed on to you. Me, I didn't heal from certain things and certain behaviors and certain things that happened to me. So I thought I just put everybody in a shooting and that everybody's the same thing, which it is not right. You understand? I haven't been sleeping. It's not your problem or anything. I'm not justifying anything. More than saying that there's no amount of sorry. I can't say sorry. It's just my actions towards certain things and how I handle certain things and what I did was totally wrong toward you. Did not deserve that. To the highest of high level, you did not deserve that, and I should have never done that to you. You understand? There's stuff that I have to deal with myself, and I realize like I'm so fucked up mentally, not realizing I do things and not think before I do things. I don't realize